Hello, welcome back to Berdu.id channel. In today's video, we'll talk about how to create product bundling on your website. Product bundling is a marketing strategy where several products are grouped and sold together as a single unit for one price, creating a cost-effective package for customers. We'll split this tutorial into several parts. For this first part, we'll focus on setting up bundle products on your website. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the Berdu channel for more tutorials. Click the like button below and turn on the notification bell. First, activate the Bundle Product menu. From your Berdu website dashboard, navigate to Apps, then search for the Bundle Product app. Click Use, check the Active option, and save. Now navigate to the Products page, then select Bundle. Here you'll see two bundles I've previously created, but let's go through the steps of creating a new bundle. Click Add Bundle Product. Enter a name for your bundle product. Then select the products you wish to include in the bundle. For instance, I'll select an ergonomic office desk product. Next, add another group below. Then insert a second product into the bundle. After selecting the ergonomic office desk previously, I'll now add the comfortable office chair. You can add more products below, but let's keep it to 3 products for now. Once done, click Save. To display your bundled products on your website, there are 2 methods: through the product page and an additional page. We'll discuss each method, starting with adding bundle products via the product page. Navigate to the left sidebar menu, then click Layout. Then Edit Layout. Hover over the navigation logo and select Product. Choose the product you included in the bundle earlier. I'll use the ergonomic office desk as an example. Now we're in the product page layout editor. Click Add section, then find and select Bundle Product. The bundle product you've created will appear at the bottom. When customers open this product page, the recommended bundle product will be shown below it. Note that the bundle product will only appear on product pages included in the bundle. For example, if you've created a bundle with products A and B, the bundle will automatically show only on product pages A or B. It won't appear on product page C. The question is, can a product page display bundles not related to it? For instance, can product page A display bundles containing unrelated products like product C? Yes, you can customize this by Check This Custom button. Then select your other bundle product here. Once you're satisfied with this, click Done, then Save. The second method to display bundle products is through an additional page. From your Berdu website dashboard, navigate to Layout, then Custom Pages. You can either edit an existing page or create a new one. Let's remove the template text first. Then rename the page and URL path. For example, Bundle Product. Click Add section, then search for Bundle Product. Your previously created bundle product will now appear. You can select other bundles if available. You can also customize the bundle product display and text. For example, you can enlarge the size, change the icon by uploading your own or selecting from provided stock icons. Adjust icon spacing and size as needed. Next, go to the Title tab. You can modify the title text above the bundle product, for example, like this. Customize text appearance with shadows, font types, and sizes according to your preferences. Proceed to the Button menu. You can modify the appearance and wording of the 2 buttons. Let's adjust the Cart button by clicking the button option. Change the button color, the text color, and the text itself. You can also add an icon to the button. Next, navigate to the pop-up menu, which shows the message when clicking the customized cart button. Edit the pop-up message by closing the current message and clicking Edit Pop-up. A new navigation menu appears for editing pop-up text and appearance. To preview the pop-up while editing the text, click this Show option. Edit the text by clicking the settings icon on the text section. Update the text as desired. You can also change the pop-up size here. Lastly, you can edit this To button right here to whatever you desire. Just click the settings icon on the button. Then you can change the color, text, and other according to your preferences. Once done, click Done, then Done again. In the next video, we'll discuss setting bundle product pricing. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to receive more tutorials, and follow Berdu's social media accounts. See you soon!